Hi guys, how's everybody doing? We're doing good, and as you can see by my dancing skeletons in the background, we are planning for Halloween. So if you don't know, this is a collab with the Plan With Me design group. All that information will be linked in the description right down there, and there is a big red button that says subscribe. Go ahead and hit it if you haven't already, because I would very much enjoy to have you a member of my planning family. And if you enjoy the video, hit that thumbs up. You know, just a little like now and then helps a girl out. But anyway, so I was told that my channel has gotten around my gaming community, and I owe one more shout out. Actually two. One to my son, Strider, and one to one of his friends, Epic. So there you go, guys. There's your shout out. But anyway, now that that's all out of the way and we've done all that good stuff, let's jump into what we're doing this week. So we're planning October 29th through November 4th. Oh my goodness. I'm not even going to say it because I know everybody says it at the beginning of every month. Yeah. So I have this kit sitting in front of me that I bought last year. It was like right before Halloween, so there was no way I was going to get it in time, but it was such a good deal I had to buy it, and I love SaraElizabethPrints. So I decided to grab it, and I decided that I'll just use it this year. And I'm sure you guys recognize the clip art from last year, but this used to be her full kit. It has since changed. The format has changed, but we'll go over this one here. So this now is on a sheet with glitter headers, and it's included with the kit. So you get a full sheet with this deco, the functional items, and then you'll get a full set of glitter headers as well. But here is this sheet for this kit. We have the full boxes and scallop quarter boxes, full heart checklist and quarter boxes. The functional page with, it's just half boxes and things like that. Sidebar headers, your regular headers and little things, bottom washi and washi strips, and then the last page is functional. You have your weekly box, icons, weekend banner, date covers, some more functional items, and checklists. So this kit is very, very neon. I don't have I don't have glitter headers in those colors, like, let's be honest. So I'm just going to use the ones in the kit. Yeah. And we're going to transition from this orange to blue. And we're going to fall back this weekend coming. So let's go ahead and jump back over here to my current spread. This was the spooky kit from Paper Candy Art. It is on premium matte paper. And today is Friday, so I'm filming, and I've already planned out the rest of the weekend. So how my planning works is I'll put all my stickers down and everything, and then I will sit down normally either Monday morning or Sunday night or Monday morning, either after I film or when I get up, and I'll just spend some time putting in things that I know are happening for the first half of the week. And then I will fill in things, like on Monday I'll fill in things for Tuesday for Wednesday. And as you can see, today's Friday, so I already kind of know the things that are happening over the weekend. So, middle of the week is normally really lazy for me because I'm just exhausted. But we will go ahead and get back to the week we're on and get this party started. If you're new here, I typically fast forward through my videos because I need my brain to work and I can't talk and carry a consistent conversation and lay down stickers for some reason. And when I do, it becomes very, very rambly, and I forget my train of thought very often. So we're going to jump into this. I'm going to play some spooktacular music, and we'll plan the week of Halloween. So, wahahahaha. So here it is, all done, and it is so bright. Like, I was hoping the black would ground it, and thank goodness for the black, right? So anyway, this is before the pen. Sometimes I fill stuff out, sometimes I don't. I don't really feel like filling it out right this second, so I'm going to wait till later. I am going to be updating and catching up my Instagram. I think I said that last time, but it is going to happen. I have all the pictures. I just need to edit them. Oh, goodness me. Anywho, so what I've got to show you is I had some freebies that were all Halloween themed from SaraElizabethPrints. This one was last year, and then this was this year, and so was this one. This was a Jack Skellington theme, and this was a Halloween Town theme. So they match the kit pretty well, so I'm just going to keep them with me. I emptied off this one and this one and put the bits and bobs on the bigger sheets so I don't have to keep these little sheets. And then we have what's left of the kit. So we have the bit of functional, some of the boxes, little things, some washi, and then these two sheets are completely used up. So, yeah, used up quite a bit. When I used to go full no white space, her kits were so well priced for, you know, going all in with the stickers pretty much. And now they're still amazingly priced. This is her high quality matte, and the print quality is insane. This glitter is crazy. But her mini kits, if you don't like the full checklist and you don't want the headers with the words on them, get her mini kit. It comes with the glitter headers. Let's see. Did I recently use... Here we go. We'll just do a quick flip here. Nope. I think I used one of her kits pretty recently, I thought. Yeah, here's a mini kit. So as you can see, you get the glitter headers and the checklist instead of the worded headers and the full checklist. So that's the difference. And honestly, the quality is amazing. The cuts are amazing. This kit was it had a few little hiccups with it, but it's the first time I've ever had stickers snag on pulling out from her shop. And guys, I have to tell you, I paid $5 for this kit on like a super deep closeout last year. So that's why I got it. And I've literally had to post it in my planner since last year. As soon as I got this planner, I put a sticky note here that said the SaraElizabethPrints Trick or Treat kit was going on this week. So this box is for Happy Halloween. Let's see, the work words, the work scripts, typography were from Formless Designs. The coffee cups are from Brandon Nicole Designs. And then everything else was from SaraElizabethPrints. So yeah, this is a crazy bright kit, but I think it's perfect for Halloween. I've got some work to do for Halloween, but you know what mom doesn't, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said at the beginning, hit that thumbs up button for me. Oh yeah, my camera cut off at some point over here, and I don't remember where, or didn't see it, so sorry. And it's about to cut me off again because it's overheating. I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.